10 foods that naturally support kidney health. Did you know that your kidneys are not only responsible for filtering your blood, but also act as the most important detoxification factory in your body? Imagine if your kidneys were refreshed and functioned more powerfully every day, simply by consuming natural foods. In today's video, we will reveal 10 amazing foods that naturally detoxify and cleanse your kidneys. Not only will this improve your health, but it will also lead to a healthy and sustainable. 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with nutrients that can benefit your kidney health. They are rich in anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and neutralize harmful free radicals, protecting your kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. Their high water content promotes hydration, which is crucial for optimal kidney function. Adequate hydration ensures efficient filtration and waste removal. The fiber in blueberries helps regulate blood sugar levels, playing a vital role in preventing kidney complications associated with diabetes. Additionally, blueberries are a good source of vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system and reduces kidney inflammation, vitamin K, which supports blood clotting and protects kidney cells, and manganese, which aids in the production of enzymes that reduce oxidative stress. Blueberries offer several specific benefits for your kidneys. Their antioxidants, such as anthocyanins, protect kidney cells from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Blueberries can also help reduce the risk of kidney stones by inhibiting the formation of crystals in the urinary tract, a primary cause of these stones. Additionally, their low sodium content helps regulate blood pressure, which is particularly important for individuals with hypertension or fluid retention. 2. Lemon water, key ingredients and health benefits. Vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant, it helps protect the kidneys from the damaging effects of free radicals. Vitamin C also strengthens the immune system, helping the body fight off infections, including urinary tract infections. Citric acid. The main component of lemon juice, it has alkalizing properties, helping to balance the pH levels in the body and kidneys. Citric acid can inhibit the formation and growth of kidney stones by reducing the crystallization of minerals like calcium oxalate. Water, high content, helps maintain hydration, an essential factor for proper kidney function and toxin elimination. Lemon water offers several benefits for your kidneys. It naturally helps flush out toxins by increasing urine production, acting as a natural diuretic. This supports your kidneys in removing waste products from your body. The citric acid in lemon water can help break down small crystals in the kidneys, preventing them from developing into larger stones. Regular consumption can also help reduce the concentration of minerals that can contribute to stone formation. While lemons are acidic, they have an alkalizing effect when metabolized in the body, helping to maintain a balanced pH level and reducing the risk of diseases associated with an acidic environment. Lemon water's natural antibacterial properties can help protect your urinary tract from harmful bacteria, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs. 3. Leafy greens, key ingredients and health benefits. Vitamin C reduces inflammation in the kidneys, helping to protect them from damage caused by oxidative stress. It also strengthens the immune system, supporting the body's fight against urinary tract infections. Vitamin A supports the health of the urinary tract lining and maintains a healthy urine flow, helping to prevent kidney stones. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, which is crucial for maintaining the appropriate blood pressure for efficient kidney function. However, for people with chronic kidney disease, high potassium levels may need to be monitored. Fiber aids digestion, helping to eliminate waste through the digestive system, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Antioxidants, beta-carotene, lutein, protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals. Chlorophyll, a natural detoxifier, helping to eliminate heavy metals and toxins that accumulate in the body. High water content helps maintain hydration, supporting kidney function and the blood filtration process. Green leafy vegetables offer numerous benefits for your kidneys. Their chlorophyll and antioxidants help naturally detoxify your body by removing toxins and heavy metals. Vitamins A and C contribute to preventing kidney stones by inhibiting the formation of crystals. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of kidney damage caused by hypertension. Antioxidants protect your kidneys from chronic damage and maintain their healthy function. The vitamins and minerals in these vegetables enhance blood filtration, easing the burden on your kidneys. 4. Garlic key ingredients and health benefits. Sulfur compounds such as allicin are potent antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect kidney cells from oxidative stress. Allicin also aids in detoxifying the body by removing toxins and heavy metals. Antioxidants. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which minimize the damage caused by free radicals to the kidneys. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C and B6. These vitamins boost the immune system and support the body's metabolic processes. Manganese and selenium. These minerals are essential for the activity of antioxidant enzymes in the body. Antibacterial properties. Garlic possesses natural antibacterial properties, protecting the kidneys and urinary tract from infections. Garlic offers several potential benefits for your kidneys. Natural detoxification. The sulfur compounds in garlic help remove heavy metals and toxins that accumulate in the kidneys, reducing the burden on this vital organ. Reduced inflammation and oxidative stress. Garlic helps reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protects cells from damage caused by free radicals. Improved blood circulation. Garlic enhances blood flow to the kidneys, boosting the filtration process and promoting efficient waste removal. High blood pressure prevention. Allicin, a compound found in garlic, helps dilate blood vessels and lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of kidney damage caused by high blood pressure. Urinary tract infection, UTI prevention. Garlic possesses natural antibacterial properties, helping protect the kidneys and urinary tract from harmful bacteria. 5. Watermelon. Watermelon is a refreshing and nutritious fruit that offers several health benefits, particularly for kidney health. Its high water content, reaching up to 90%, makes it an excellent source of hydration, crucial for maintaining proper kidney function and flushing out toxins. Watermelon also contains citrulline, a natural compound that converts to arginine in the body. Arginine plays a vital role in improving blood circulation and supporting kidney function. Furthermore, watermelon is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamins A and C, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation. Potassium, another essential mineral found in watermelon, helps regulate electrolyte balance and maintain stable blood pressure, reducing strain on the kidneys. Watermelon is also packed with antioxidants like lycopene and beta-carotene, which combat free radical damage and safeguard kidney cells. With its low calorie and sodium content, watermelon is an ideal choice for individuals with high blood pressure or those at risk of kidney damage associated with cardiovascular disease. Watermelon offers several benefits for your kidneys. Its high water content keeps you hydrated, ensuring your kidneys function optimally and reducing the risk of kidney stone formation. Watermelon acts as a natural diuretic, increasing urine production to flush out waste and toxins, lessening the burden on your kidneys. It also helps prevent kidney stones by increasing urine flow and reducing the concentration of minerals like calcium and oxalate. Citrulline in watermelon dilates blood vessels, improving blood flow to the kidneys, supporting their filtration and detoxification processes. Additionally, lycopene and vitamin C in watermelon protect kidney cells from damage and reduce inflammation. 6. Ginger. Ginger's key components, gingerol and zingerone, are potent antioxidants and anti-inflammatories. These compounds help reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect cells from oxidative stress. Ginger is rich in polyphenols and other antioxidants, which minimize kidney cell damage caused by free radicals. Its anti-inflammatory properties help reduce inflammation throughout the body, including in the kidneys, thereby improving kidney function. Ginger also acts as a natural diuretic, stimulating urine production to effectively eliminate toxins and waste from the body. Ginger offers several potential benefits for kidney health. Its active compounds, gingerol and zingerone, may help reduce chronic inflammation, a major contributor to kidney diseases like glomerulonephritis and nephritis. Ginger can also help prevent kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of minerals in the urinary tract. Additionally, ginger stimulates urine production, aiding the kidneys in efficiently eliminating toxins and waste, thereby reducing stress on the organ. Furthermore, ginger can improve insulin sensitivity and blood sugar control, mitigating the risk of kidney damage caused by diabetic complications. By relaxing blood vessels, ginger enhances blood circulation and lowers blood pressure, protecting the kidneys from high blood pressure-related damage. 7. Turmeric. The main ingredient and its health benefits. Curcumin, the primary active compound in turmeric, possesses potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. These properties help protect kidney cells from damage and reduce chronic inflammation. Curcumin also supports the regulation of the immune system and minimizes tissue damage in the kidneys. Antioxidants. Turmeric is rich in polyphenols and other antioxidant compounds that neutralize harmful free radicals, reducing oxidative stress in the kidneys. Anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin effectively inhibits inflammatory pathways, reducing inflammation in the kidneys and surrounding tissues. Detoxifying properties. Turmeric aids the liver and kidneys in eliminating toxins, protecting these organs from the effects of chemicals and heavy metals. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, offers several potential benefits for kidney health. It can help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation, two key factors that contribute to kidney damage. Turmeric may also help prevent chronic kidney disease by protecting the kidneys from damage. Additionally, curcumin can improve blood flow and kidney filtration, leading to more efficient removal of waste products and toxins. By reducing inflammation and regulating calcium oxalate levels, turmeric may help prevent the formation of kidney stones. Turmeric can also strengthen the immune system, providing protection against infections, particularly urinary tract infections, which can affect the kidneys. Finally, turmeric may help reduce proteinuria, a symptom of chronic kidney disease that occurs when the kidneys release too much protein in the urine. 8. Apples. Key ingredients and health benefits. Soluble fiber, pectin. The pectin in apples helps lower toxin and cholesterol levels in the blood, reducing the burden on the kidneys during filtration. It also helps regulate blood sugar, which is crucial in preventing kidney complications from diabetes. Antioxidants. Apples contain flavonoids, polyphenols, and vitamin C, which help neutralize free radicals that damage kidney cells. Vitamins and minerals. Vitamin C strengthens the immune system and protects kidney cells from oxidative stress. Potassium. In moderation, potassium in apples helps maintain electrolyte balance in the body. Water, high content. Apples are rich in water, which helps maintain hydration, supports kidney filtration and excretion functions. Low sodium. Apples are naturally low in sodium, reducing the risk of water retention and kidney pressure. Apples offer a range of benefits for your kidneys, contributing to overall health and well-being. Firstly, pectin, a soluble fiber found in apples, acts like a sponge, absorbing toxins from the body and reducing the burden on your kidneys. This helps to support their natural detoxification process. Secondly, apples can help prevent kidney stones. They contain compounds that reduce the levels of calcium oxalate and uric acid, two substances that contribute to stone formation. Thirdly, the antioxidants in apples protect kidney cells from damage caused by free radicals, reducing oxidative stress and maintaining healthy kidney function. Furthermore, pectin helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is crucial for preventing kidney damage associated with diabetes. Finally, apples can help lower bad cholesterol, LDL, reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases that can impact kidney health. By incorporating apples into your diet, you can support your kidneys and contribute to overall well-being. 9. Cabbage. Cabbage is a nutritious vegetable packed with health benefits, making it a great addition to a balanced diet, especially for those with kidney health concerns. Key components and health benefits. Vitamin C boosts the immune system and protects kidney cells from oxidative stress. It also contributes to the overall health of tissues and organs, including the kidneys. Sulfur compounds. These act as natural detoxifiers, helping to eliminate toxins and heavy metals from the body, reducing the burden on the kidneys. Antioxidants, polyphenols, and flavonoids neutralize free radicals, safeguarding kidney cells from damage and preventing oxidative stress. Fiber supports digestion and waste elimination through the digestive system, lessening the workload on the kidneys. Low potassium content. Cabbage is a safe choice for individuals with chronic kidney disease, as it contains less potassium than many other vegetables. Low calorie content. With only 22 calories per cup, Cabbage is an ideal food for weight management and heart health, both of which are crucial for kidney function. Cabbage offers several specific benefits for your kidneys. Natural detoxification. The sulfur compounds in cabbage help your kidneys eliminate toxins and improve their blood filtering function. Protection against oxidative stress. Antioxidants in cabbage minimize kidney cell damage caused by free radicals, thus maintaining stable kidney function. Digestive support. The high fiber content in cabbage helps your body eliminate waste through the digestive system, reducing the burden on your kidneys and removing toxins. Blood pressure regulation. The low potassium and sodium content in cabbage helps maintain stable blood pressure, preventing kidney damage caused by hypertension. Prevention of chronic inflammation. Cabbage contains natural anti-inflammatory compounds that reduce inflammation in the kidneys and protect them from chronic diseases. 10. Avocado. Avocado is a nutritious fruit packed with beneficial components that can support kidney health. Its monounsaturated fats, considered healthy fats, help reduce inflammation and improve overall kidney function. These fatty acids also contribute to lowering bad cholesterol, LDL, and raising good cholesterol, HDL, protecting kidney blood vessels. Avocado is a rich source of potassium, a natural electrolyte that helps regulate blood pressure and maintain electrolyte balance, thereby reducing the risk of kidney damage caused by hypertension. However, individuals with chronic kidney disease should monitor their potassium intake. Avocado contains antioxidants like vitamins C and E, which protect kidney cells from damage caused by oxidative stress and free radicals. Vitamin E also helps maintain healthy cell membranes, particularly those in the kidneys. The fiber in avocado aids digestion and lowers cholesterol, reducing the burden on the kidneys during blood filtration. Vitamin K plays a crucial role in blood clotting and bone health, indirectly supporting kidney function by maintaining healthy blood vessels. Avocado offers several specific benefits for your kidneys. Blood pressure regulation. Avocados are rich in potassium, which helps balance sodium levels in the body, contributing to stable blood pressure. High blood pressure is a major factor in kidney dysfunction. Reduced inflammation. The monounsaturated fats and antioxidants in avocados help reduce chronic inflammation in the kidneys, protecting them from long-term damage. Detoxification support. By lowering cholesterol and managing blood pressure, avocados enhance the kidney's ability to filter and eliminate waste effectively. Kidney blood vessel protection. The healthy fats and antioxidants in avocados improve blood circulation, safeguarding the small blood vessels in the kidneys from oxidative stress and damage. Now you know about 10 natural foods that can help detoxify and cleanse your kidneys, an essential organ for overall health. Remember, incorporating these foods into your daily diet not only helps protect your kidneys, but also contributes to a healthy and energetic body. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to stay updated on other beneficial health tips. And remember, taking care of your kidneys today is protecting your health tomorrow. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.